Unlocking the meaning of start date in English. Hello, wonderful learners. Today, we're going to delve into a common but crucial phrase that you'll often encounter in the English-speaking world: start date. Whether you're applying for a job, enrolling in a course, or signing up for a new service, knowing what start date means and how to use it can be incredibly helpful. So, let's get started and unlock the details together. The term start date refers to the specific day when an event, job, program, or activity is scheduled to begin. It's a point in time that marks the commencement of something new. The importance of a start date is that it provides clear information for planning and preparation. Let's break it down with some examples. In a job offer, your start date with the company is July 1st. When enrolling in school, the start date for the fall semester is September 5th. Starting a new service, your subscription start date is the day you sign up. Understanding this phrase is key because it is often associated with deadlines and schedules that are critical to follow. When you need to inquire about when something begins, it's important to be polite and clear. Here are a couple of ways you can ask about the start date. Could you please tell me what the start date for this position is? I'd like to confirm the start date for the upcoming online course. Remember, it's always better to ask and be sure, rather than make assumptions and miss out on important information. When discussing start dates, it's crucial to avoid confusion. A common mistake is confusing start date with due date, which is the date by which something should be completed. Another mix-up can occur with end date, which is when something finishes. Keep your dates clear and your plans will thank you. The start date can influence many things: how you plan your schedule, when you start preparing for a new role, or even how you set your goals. In professional and academic settings, it's often a non-negotiable point that can affect your entire experience. So, mark it on your calendar and set a reminder. That's all on the phrase, start date. It's a small phrase with significant implications, especially when you're stepping into new beginnings. I hope this video has made it clear and that you feel more confident using and understanding it. Until our next lesson, keep learning and exploring the vast world of English. Happy learning!